Secure Go Install mobile app for the iSTAR Ultra LT door controller is now available for use as a real-time system status and network configuration manager. Utilizing Bluetooth technology, the app is supported on Apple iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. When installed and configured, the app delivers real-time system information from one or more iSTAR Ultra LT controllers and allows the user to easily and quickly configure network settings, view a device's status, or perform system diagnostics when required. In a busy environment, the app user is able to reboot an iSTAR Ultra LT easily without having to set up a ladder in high-traffic areas to press a reset button. No climbing, no ladder necessary. Simply press reboot with feet on the floor. Using the app is easy. Simply select the app's icon on your smartphone or tablet and enter login credentials to gain access. The app will connect to the network through Bluetooth and detect all iSTAR Ultra LT door controllers in the local vicinity. A user can then select a specific controller from the list of controllers and quickly configure available options in a few simple steps. The options presented are configuration, live output, device status, reboot, and boot up log. The configuration option allows users to view and also change an IP address, a host IP, and a variety of other system parameters. If the server is ever changed, the host IP address can be updated easily through the app. The live output selection displays system information including the controller software version, connection information from supporting peripherals, the host IP address, and other data. Device status provides system information such as controller name, firmware version, CPU usage, RAM available, connection status, and more all at your fingertips for easy system monitoring. The reboot selection allows the user to easily and safely reboot the controller at any time. The boot up log selection allows for quick troubleshooting of the controller. A convenient boot up log shows all system events pertaining to the controller that transpired since powering up the device. With security a high priority, the use of the app can be managed through the Secure 9000 admin station. Initial connection to an iSTAR Ultra LT can be controlled via a password, and a controller's Bluetooth functionality can also be managed on a per-controller basis through Secure 9000. When required, an operator can temporarily turn on Bluetooth connectivity while local service work is being performed. The Secure Go Install mobile app for the iSTAR Ultra LT door controller has features that make a difference. Quick configuration of network settings and easily accessible live monitoring information, easy access to recorded and boot up log data for audit trail information, quick system reboots that don't require ladder access to press a reset button. Simply initiate a reboot with feet on the floor. Lower install costs, fewer callbacks, and shortened integration setup time with the Secure Go Install mobile app. Available now and for free from the App Store and Google Play.